In this lesson, we will go over how to make a rectangular sketch pattern in Fusion 360. Making a sketch pattern is useful for quickly making copies of a design feature or characteristic or shape over a horizontal or vertical distance. First, create your desired sketch feature. Next, navigate to the toolbar Create section and select the rectangular pattern. Select all objects that you want to create copies of for the pattern. The rectangular pattern section has the option of either selecting a line in the sketch for direction of patterns or pulling the arrows that appeared on the base object. You can assign quantity of the horizontal and vertical patterns in the window on the right. You can also assign a distance between the base object and last object in the pattern. Should you accidentally close the window and require more editing, left-click twice on the rectangular pattern symbol shown to reopen the window. Since all copies of the pattern are identical, any changes you make to the size of one object will be mimicked across the entire pattern. However, you cannot pull an object out of a row or column due to being fixed by the pattern feature.